I found 4 finger limes underneath one of the little finger lime bushes this morning, and I cut one open, and it was looked really great. Quite a lot of its insides coming out. So I thought I'd try it again. These guys feel a little harder, so I'm not sure if they'll ooze out the way that the other one did. This one is a pretty good size. Anyhow, let's see what happens when I cut it in half. Oh, there it's doing its thing. Isn't that cool? So night temps in my greenhouse, about 2 degrees centigrade. The day temperatures are going up around 15. If it's sunny, then it's probably 18 or 20. But lots of fruit ripening now. And look at that, isn't that fabulous? I'll give a little squeeze to this guy and see. I have 4 now, finger limes, and they're all pretty small, but they are producing a little bit.